MarginDriver's decision model is a useful tool for quickly and efficiently evaluating the impact of new pricing strategies and promotions on your margins and profitability. You already know that lower prices will lead to more sales. The decision model tool, relying on MarginDriver's gross profit per order database, lets you know if what you're doing is really better for the bottom line. To conduct a test, choose 2 custom time periods, ideally equal in number of days. Make a pricing change or start a promotional campaign on the first day of the comparison date range. You can choose to view the results as totals or on a per day or per order basis. Then click Go to get the results for each time period and the delta between the two. The graph below allows you to visualize the results. Just click the desired column to choose the metric to view, and the results can be displayed as either actuals or 7-day moving averages. There are also additional filters, including shipping carrier, shipping country, shipping weight, SKU number, and distributor, to help you further target and refine your testing. Comparisons like this could potentially take hours to do without the benefit of the decision model. To assemble and crunch all of the data to determine which pricing strategy is best for the bottom line is labor-intensive and time-consuming. It's a task that can easily get put off in favor of seemingly more pressing issues. The decision model tool allows you to quickly get results so you can understand what works and what doesn't, and you can optimize your product pricing, shipping pricing, and other promotions before they can potentially chew into your margins. The decision model can be especially useful for optimizing algorithmic repricing. If you are on marketplaces like Amazon, you know that competition can be fierce, and winning the buy box often means taking a severe hit to your margins. The decision model tool allows you to run tests, trying various pricing floors and strategies to easily determine which is the most profitable for your business.